Hi, Alison Marsden here from Gardening by Design with a quick introduction to gardening for well-being, using a few slides from a full 1 hour's talk that I offer to gardening clubs, WIs, school groups and anybody interested in gardening and mental health. So the first question is, what do you like about gardening? And in a room full of people, I usually get answers including the beautiful flowers, seeing seeds germinating, providing fruit and veg through growing your own for the family. And conversation quickly then turns to the joy of the flowers, the satisfaction and achievement of seeing seeds and plants grow, nurturing, giving, and those calm, relaxing moments out in the garden from a busy life. Which brings me to the second question. What is gardening for? And when you drill down and words like joy, satisfaction, achievement, calm come through, you are led to the inevitable conclusion that gardening is all about well-being for you, your family, your friends who visit in that green outside space. Now, this won't come as a surprise to anybody who's a keen gardener, but research over recent years has shown that there is a measurable benefit to mental health from participating in gardening and other outdoor nature-based activities, and this is not limited to people who already like gardening. To such an extent that in the 2018 UK government DEFRA 25-year plan, there is a whole section on green care and a commitment about connecting people with the environment to improve health and well-being. A key benefit is in maintaining or re-establishing a connection with nature, the understanding that we're part of the natural world, not separate from it. And this is increasingly difficult in an urban and technological 21st century. Key to mental well-being is a sense of self-esteem. This is not boastfulness, but simply having a purpose, having meaningful activity, enabling us to grow, learn and achieve. And when you think through gardening, it really isn't difficult to find activities that in small ways every day in our daily lives we can do this. As well as physical self-care, exercise, good food and sleep, we need mental self-care, being kind to ourselves, nurturing ourselves as we nurture the plants, learning from our mistakes but not dwelling and brooding on our failures that do us no good to move forward. They say that no man is an island, and gardening gives plenty of opportunity for a sense of community. From casual conversations at the allotment, joining a gardening group and going to talks, or simply providing a great space for relaxing with family and friends. And the fourth strand of well-being is resilience, recognising and managing the stress that comes with everyday life. And this is where bringing mindfulness into gardening can help. It's all about being and not doing, those calm moments spent sitting. Or how about making weeding your everyday mindful activity? You might even come to enjoy it. However you look at it, gardening is all about well-being. There isn't a reason for gardening at home that you can't bring back to this. So if you'd like to learn more, or you're still a little bit doubtful, then get in touch through my website or my email and talk about how we can talk more, or I could help you set up a Gardening for Wellbeing programme. Happy gardening!